Hi, this is Madhusudhan Bhomik, and always I am speaking about digital marketing. So now I will explain Meta ads. So globally, Meta helping for growing your business, and for your business, you have to put ad value for your campaign. So when you will try to put ad campaign for your selling your product, definitely will get code or test or sell your product online, because there is a lots of system, lots of way, lots of method. But I will say for lead collections ad campaign you should run for your business. It can be services, so this good, or if it's products, so definitely have to go for direct sell on the via website. So by this way, if you try to boost or Google, not Google, Facebook ads, so definitely you will run your business smoothly, and how much you will spend, how much sale you will get. For this one services, for services definitely will use for lead generations. So go to Meta ad campaign and then put select the lead leads and set up your target audience. Here is very important. You have to put your target audience there, selected target audience, age, their taste, their audience, which locations they are living, their job title, their taste. So then the Facebook will target at that particular person, and you can get that lead. They will provide you for phone number, WhatsApp number, emails. Okay, then you will try to connect with them for service, sell your service. So by this process, you will try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and should be campaign is 30 days, not for 7 days, 20 days. No, you can run 7 days campaign, you can run whole months campaign, like 30 days campaign, $10 per day, $20, $30. I will recommend definitely have to use for $30 per day. So after using these methods, Facebook campaign, so definitely will get lots of client to run your business for nursing your leads. So this is the lead campaign strategy I'm showing to you. Definitely it will help your business globally. Whoever entrepreneur, whoever try to run your business, this thing will help you definitely. So stay with me, connect with me. You will get some of the digital marketing part, like SEO, like Facebook boosting, like how to rank your website, how to get leads, link the marketing and everything. I will help you definitely. Thank you so much.